Starters on your screens. This was the same starting lineup that Coach Joe Roque fielded in last Monday to defeat the Golden Spikers. Magbabago na lang yung timpla niyan pagdating ng gitna, sigurado yan, Mitch.
Right. So itong si Coach Jose, yeah, magbabago nga yun. For sure, I agree. Ito, Ateneo Blue Eagles, I think it's the same lineup from their previous game. Si Amil Pasino nandiyan pa din, si Alejos, Salarzon, and starting libero nga dito si Gutierrez. Oh no, si Lance de Castro.
Pero hindi pa, tinatago pa rin siya ni Coach Vince Mangolabdan. Here we go, game number 1 of the best of 3 semi-final series. We begin with Eugene Gloria scoring.
That's a quick tip by Eugene Gloria. Bihira kasi binablock eh, pagkagaling sa back.
Okay, oo. That's a good thing. That's a good thing if you're Ateneo. I'm going to have a busy day again. Busy niyan ng Lunes. Masinho!
Back.
Binong Lunes na. Sigurado, itong mga players na ito inspired sa napanood nila that past 2 weeks doon sa World Championship. Kaya, ay pinaka-paborito ito pa naman na Isa Oseini scores his first block point of. Nagkaroon ka kasi ng easy point of comparison na ang Lasal galing sa 5th setter just 48 hours ago as MJ Fortuna scored. Sini! That gray area. And diretso kay retiro running. Huli lang si JJ Rodriguez. Pasinya from the back row. There was MJ Fortuna but somebody touched the net.
Meron siyang 103 total tournament score.
Enzo Gutierrez! Uy, yung setter!
Yun yung
Ayan lang si Isa. Magre-reserve na sa likod. JMU with a push shot. Dive si EJ. Palo si Eman. Bigay ni EJ kay Eman. Second time. Yes!
target zone.
Sarili ko.
Like?
Hoy, regalo! Soft serve! Naku, di nagkaintindihan si Gian at si JM.
107 tournament total score.
One of the top scorers in this tournament. In the meantime, Julio Miguel Yu.
Nagpakawala ng cross-court attack.
Check out this play. Kahit hindi pinansin si Carl Corregidor, nakalusot pa rin yung palo ni JMU.
Na hindi magkadikit talaga yung blockers niya.
Tied at 23. Gloria with a drop. Nice dive. And the ball is alive. Naitawid ni Crisostomo. And the play goes on. Eugene Gloria cross-court. It's long. Laro talaga nila. Yung buwis-buhay na laro nila ay lumalabas dito, especially Ateneo at set point. Back row attack.
Grabing pipe.
Gian, block. Make coverage. Pasino, zone 1. Almost an overpass. EJ Regidor. No good. Gian, blocked by Regidor. And the rally goes on. Free ball for Lasal. Regidor to Gloria. Yes!
Di nagpaawa tong si Eugene.
Set point for the Green Spikers. Salarzon. That cross-court was too wide.
Ngayon, ang hirap depensahan. Parehas naman sila nahirapang depensahan pero hindi pa rin maka-adjust.
And muna, isang set muna tayo. Kumakanta pa si Vince Mangolabdan sa background. Set number 1, natapos na. Lasal, 26, Ateneo, 24. Second set, J. De La Cruz, Michelle Datuin. Palo ni Uge. It's good. At volleyball.
Right.
Ako, isa pa to.
Service ace.
Ikaw yung Lasal, ayos sa depensa. Ayun, may first ball na sa wakas. Nakakapalo na si MJ Fortuna.
Nakita, yung parang nare-remedyohan pa lang ng Lasal. Ayan na naman.
Batas. That one will go for Kennedy Batas. Block. Because in that USD game, it was a real headache. Nagtabi pa sila ng Rui Ventura na sila yung pumupuntos talaga ng pumupuntos para sa Lasal. As Isa Oseini with that. Yung approach, tamang-tama as an ace was scored by Ateneo.
Neutral tayo, neutral.
Oo. Overpass. Hernandez won't risk it. They set it up. Eugene Gloria with a drop too high. Pasillo zone 1. Nice fake. And he scored.
Errors.
There's a push shot coming from Rocha Lejos and they're really taking it. 11, saka yung 8 na number ng mga errors for either teams. May katakasan na ngayon. The ball is alive. Pero ang sabi ni first referee, yan kaya ang gagawin dito sa opensa na to. Huli ni Isa! May laro kayo ng gabi, umaga. Punta muna kayo sa practice venue para may konti activation lang.
Yes.
Kennedy Batas with that high IQ.
Yun talaga nila kasi malapit na, 2 puntos na lang, 25 na.
Huwag na magkamali, maniguro sa mga gagawin. Tulad nitong palo na to na ibibigay kay Julio Miguel Yu. Yu. For the set. Hindi kay Gian binigay. And it's good!
Zone 6. Ng setter ng Ateneo, ibigay kay Salarzon.
Pagbabalik natin, makikita natin yung mga numero. Yung napakalaking discrepancy sa mga numero nung set number 2. But the most important number, especially for Ateneo, they just tied this match at 1 set apiece.
Kaya nagkatalo.
So goal number 1 for Ateneo, more than getting the third set. As itong si Gian Salarzon mentioned earlier in the pregame, 14 points in that Arellano encounter 23 days ago. Roy Vento. At nakikita mo talaga dito na undeniably yung laro ng dalawang player na pinag-usapan natin, umangat talaga.
Oo, totoo.
A nice chase by Gian Salarzon. Kennedy Batas with the attack. The dropout works sumobra. Kennedy Batas nag-damage. Pasa sa iyo eh.
Paplakin ko nga kasi feeling ko sa mukha ko pupunta.
May coverage. Gloria!
That was...
Solid serve coming from Kennedy Batas. Solid swing on the other side coming from Eugene. Babang pag nakablock. Ganun din si Obed eh.
Sumisipa.
Huli ni Eugene Gloria. Last the Castro could not save it anymore. And NJ Banjit serving. Which means ang nasa harap si Isa Oseini tsaka si Rui Ventura. Yung drop gumana. There's some collision for the athlete who's got the skills, the chill, and the coolest of all time. Follow the official Nestle Ice Cream Philippines Facebook page for more info. Voting runs until October 8. Winners will be known on October 10. Let's crunch the code. Keep cool with Crunch.
Eman Hernandez with a cross court.
Guys, side that the problem that Isa Oseini and Rui Ventura poses to the opponents somehow in this game number 1, the spirit game number 1, yun yung nagiging problema ni Coach Vince. Bahaba, basta kaliwete. Primary option talaga cross court eh.
Right.
Tulad nun.
Kaliwete rin yun. Si Pas...
Overpass. And the play goes on. Tama lang yung dinaanan ng bola. Papalo si Gloria. That is good.
Eugene.
Ateneo dito.
Depensa.
Nakakalusot lang din kasi yung mga pakalo na Ateneo dito. At itagdag mo yung error. Tapos yung blocking pa.
Oo.
Gitna! JJ Rodriguez.
That was a good decision by Banjit. Banjit. Patay.
Tulad niyang setup na yan, papunta kay JJ Rodriguez to finish things off in set number 3. When we return, we are going to evaluate the numbers. At tuloy na tayo sa ating set number 4. 1 set lead for the Green Spikers. Giging problema na. Set number 4 na tayo. Jay De La Cruz, Michelle Datuin calling the action. Eugene Gloria. Pinaibabawan. Still managing to find that. Salarzon rejected. Nung Lunes pa yung dalawang yan. Points. Your 2 points courtesy of Lasal errors should be an opening
Tambay muna. Yan ang gusto natin na yun. Diyan ka muna sa likod.
Oo. Pero ang ganda rin ang pinapakita ng JJ Rodriguez dito. But Amil Pasino with the recognition. Missing that reception. Huli ni JJ. Set up ni LJ. Rui Ventura, zone 1. Dug by Lester Castro. But Rui Ventura will get the point. Back set. Rui, zone 1. So talaga.
True.
Again with all how fast this game is going. Sabay-sabay nagsiatrasan si Oseini, si Gloria. NJ will choose Eugene Gloria who has the hot hand. He almost scored. Salarson was checked. Oseini was rejected.
Huling-huli.
Express our thoughts and send our prayers sa mga kababayan natin na nasa lanta ng lindol.
Oo, kung sino. Ito, hindi na matibay yung blockers ko. O, dito ang atake.
Oo.
Open, ganyan. Middle. Eman.
Separation is at 5. Madalas din gawin ni Chris Hernandez yung service sa may top spin na gano'n. Mabagal pero may top spin eh. Biglang babaksak yung service.
Oo. Ano pa rin ang gagalawin ng players?
Oo.
Yun talaga yun.
Sila pa rin nakikilos
Oo.
talaga. But Lasal, if anything, they have an answer to every Ateneo. Serving 22. Still some hope for Ateneo. But JJ Rodriguez has every plan to diminish that Ateneo hope. As far as game 1 is concerned, Gian Salarson gets the point.
Nay.
By the way, new libero for Lasal, Neil Lawrence Flores has entered the ball game. Bibigyan ng burn time dito ni Coach Jose. Flores, NJ, Eugene, net touch ang Ateneo.
Net touch si Pasino.
Story of the game. Almost 43 points given by Ateneo via those errors. Kasi sa atake, meron talaga. Ayan, yung mga diskarte ganyan ni Kennedy Batas. Yung palo ni Gloria na tumapos sa laro na to. And Lasal getting game number 1.
That down the line at la.
Kuwang-kuwa na nila yung tema, yung mga bagay na gustong mangyari ni Coach Jose Roque. Got their groove, applied it, and it brought them that success. And that's the winning attack coming from Eugene Gloria. He was the one on fire in this game number 1. Kaya nanaig ang Lasal dito and got ahead in this best of 3 semifinal series.